Google has been an integral part of our lives. We use Google to search for answers to questions that we do not know. We use Google to search for the latest news, recipes, assignments, and more. But what if I told you that you can earn money just by searching on Google? You've heard that right. You can earn up to $3,000 just by searching. Don't believe me? Then you should watch this video. I will be showing you a step by step process on how you can set this up and earn money continuously. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and take some notes while you are at it. Because when you don't follow the step by step process that I've provided, then you will have a hard time earning money using this method. Just a reminder that this will not make you a millionaire overnight. This will just help you have a steady stream of income and help you with your day to day life. This method is absolutely free and we don't want you to pay for anything. It is available worldwide, meaning this method can be done by anyone from any part of the world without restrictions. And most of all, you do not need any prior skills or experience, just a laptop or phone will suffice. Now let's get started, shall we? Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. We will be using two websites, so this is very easy to do. The first website is very obvious, google.com. As I have said earlier, Google will be an essential part of this process since we will be earning money using this website. Now just leave it as it is for the moment and let's open another tab. Now, the second website that we will be using is mindsumo.com. Mindsumo is a website which helps people crowdsource breakthrough ideas quickly and affordably from creative problem solvers. Very popular and well-known brands use this website to crowdsource ideas for their next projects. Brands such as Pepsi, Microsoft, Yahoo, Shell, Dell, and Unilever are some of the brands that use this platform. This is a perfect opportunity for you to work with these brands. MindSumo has already hosted 1,500 challenges, 200,000 vetted ideas, and they are 2 to 3 times faster than traditional ideation services. Now, how does this website work? Step 1. Frame the challenge. They help you define your challenge topic. A challenger manager creates a draft for you to review, and edits are incorporated to include your feedback. Step 2. Launch the challenge. They take care of creating and launching the challenge. They handle any targeted promotion to the most relevant problem solvers. They help review and rate submissions to save time and effort. Step 3. Results. Most challenges wrap up after 1 to 4 weeks. They publish the winners and distribute prizes to make your life easy. You keep all the IP from your submissions. What we will be doing here today is become a problem solver. We will be answering the questions of different people and brands and give them ideas for their next project. Before we continue, have a look at these. These are some of the challenges that you can do as a problem solver. You can see that if you have completed the challenge, you will be rewarded with an abundant amount of money, $800, $1,600, and even as high as $2,000, and that is crazy. Now to start, first we need to create an account. To do that, just click on the Login Sign Up button on the upper right side of the website. Then this box will appear. Just click on the Don't Have an Account Yet option and it will redirect you to the registration form. You just need to put in your first name, your last name, location, email address, password, birthday, and gender. On this part of the form, you will be asked to rate your creativity, marketing, and technical skills. What I suggest is to put in average or above average. This will play a huge part since it will give you a higher chance to be accepted. Now I'll just set this to above average. The last thing that you'll want to do before you register is to answer these two questions. Why are you interested in MindSumo? What types of projects are you most interested in solving? Just answer as truthfully as you can, and once you do that, just check these two boxes. Verify that you are not a robot, and you can verify the sign up button right here. And now you have an account on MindSumo and you can start answering some questions. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now on this page, you can see the different challenges available for you to do. On the left side of the page, you can filter the challenges by category. The categories are business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and sciences, and humanities and arts. For this video, we'll filter the challenges by business. It will automatically filter the listed challenges related to business. Now let's pick a challenge to do, for example, this one. If we click on this, we can see more details about the challenge. You can see a brief summary of the challenge, the money that will be handed out to the winner, the number of submissions, and how many days left till the challenge ends. Take note that the prize money will be distributed to various people depending on the quality of their idea. If you scroll down, you can see the rewards tier. For the top 10, they will share $1,000. For the next 15%, they will share $400, and for the last 25%, they will share $200. Now, on to the important part. How do we complete this challenge? All you have to do is copy the question right here and go to the Google tab that you have opened earlier. Just paste the question on the Google search bar and hit enter. You will now see a bunch of search results related to the question. All you have to do now is just pick one article that you want to copy. Take note that these articles are high quality and well written, so you don't have to worry about anything. For example, we choose this one, skim through the article, and if you like it, then copy the contents of the article and move to the next step. The next step is to open a new Google Doc. If you do not know how, just go to doc.google.com or just search Google Docs on Google. Once you have created a new blank document, just paste the contents of the article here. Now you can edit the article to make it look more professional. You can highlight important words, change the color of some words, justify the paragraphs. It's all up to you. You can also add your own words. Just make sure that the document is well organized. Once you are done with editing your document, you can now save it as a PDF. Just follow the video to know how. Then you can go back to the MindSumo website and submit your document. It is as easy as that. You can do this with other challenges on MindSumo. Just pick one that you want to do, copy the question, and search it on Google. Find an article that answers the question, copy the contents of the article onto the new Google document, edit it, save it, and submit it. As simple as that. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.